Hi, it's the Hub Mama. Today I want to show you how to create a page in the iHub app. It's so easy. We're going to do this from the builder today. So log into your builder and you're going to land here on your dashboard. And once you're here, you're going to click on create and you're going to click on pages. You can see my existing pages live here. You're going to click on add page and you can, just like a regular post, you can choose what channels that page shows up to. So if you have a private channel and you only want that page to show for those users on that private channel, you can classify that here and it will not be seen by anybody who is not in that registered for that channel. So, but most pages you want to be visible to everybody. So I'm going to leave that at the home page. Card style is whether you want an image on top, a video on top, or some sort of other embed. I love doing videos. They're golden, so I have a placeholder video we'll use to place that there now, and you just paste the link of the video, and it will automatically show up here. You're going to type in the page name here, and here you're going to paste your content or create the content directly in here. Similar to other text areas, you have all these capabilities of bold, italic, underline. You have some more text options here, all the typical ones, text color, your alignment, bullet, numbered or bullet points. Here is some more of the paragraph options. And you have some unique paragraph styles, which I'll show you in a minute that you can do. And you can also link, add an image, add a video on the page, or upload a file, create a table, or add a horizontal line. So I'm just going to keep this really basic right now to show you just what it looks like with basic text. I'll show you a couple of the special features really quick. So say we want to put in the page title. I want to center that and we want that to be H1. And I'll show you how you can do some of these special features. You can border a paragraph like that. Let's come down here to the page options. This will automatically input the post slug the title that you've used in the title area as a post slug. So you only need to change this if you want that to be different. You can add in any keywords you want here. The meta description will automatically pull the first 150 characters, but if you want a custom post meta description, you will add that here. And just like on the posts, you can add modules to the page. You can add 1, 2, or all of them. Doesn't matter, however many you want. So I'm going to walk you through what each of these modules looks like. So here we have a call to action. And so you're going to put in whatever you want your users to do. And if you want to detail that in further with further instructions, you can add those here. This will take them to a contact. It will have a link for get started, and it will take them to a contact form. If you want to ask a question above the contact form, you can put that here. So we'll see what that looks like when we're done. You can add another call to action if you wanted as well. If you want to include a map in the post, you can do so here. Choose that. It will embed a map at the bottom of the post. Here you can choose, let's see, you can create a photo album, as many photos as you want. And here you can, with the survey question module, you can put a short poll. You can allow for anonymous responses or hide the survey results if you want it to be private. And we'll just put, what is your favorite color? And You could choose multiple choice, multiple selects. You could choose more than one answer or a short answer. We'll just leave this at multiple choice and put that here. And then a task would be if you were calling for a volunteer to do something, whether it's for a nonprofit event, it could be a work, say like a work event. You could ask for a volunteer and put any details that you want to here. If you do have an age restriction on the volunteering position, you could put that there. You can choose somebody different for the volunteer coordinator. If you are creating the page, you can have somebody else be the recipient of this volunteer sign up information. And that's it. That's all it takes to create a page. You're going to click on publish. And I will show you what this page looks like. So there's our video, our page title, our block text. Here's our call to action. If you click on get started, there is our question. Remember, I put in question for the contact form. They fill out their information and click on submit. There is the map. Here is the photo from the photo gallery. Again, usually you're putting in multiple photos. You will see here that you have to be logged in and verified to take this poll because we did not allow for anonymous poll takers. But you can see behind there the poll with the 3 options, and that's a submit button. Looking for volunteers, people can click on apply. And again, it takes them, they'll be asked to confirm their age if you did put an age restriction in there, and they submit their information and click on apply. And if you've enabled comments, you can allow comments to be done on pages, but people have to be signed in. Or you can allow for public comments as well. And that's it. So it couldn't be easier. I'm really thrilled that my clients can go in and create additional pages on their hub if they want. Whereas with a WordPress website, they had to contact me to do everything for them. It's also really easy for them to go into existing pages and change content. So check out my other tutorials on my channel. And if you have any questions, you can contact me I've left contact information in the description below, or you can leave a comment. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.